Hello, this is Stan, and I'll show you around like how to use Grimo. And you can just read like a text editor, and maybe I write an article about like understanding Elon Musk, and like I write a subtitle like unveiling the enigma of this innovator, and that like reshaped our world. Here we go. Cool. And we can just keep writing. And so what we have here, all those paragraphs are actually like a blocks or what we call note. So you can press slash and you can create a note or create a child note, or you can just press Command Enter. You can it's a Markdown editor, so we can just use Markdown syntax here. So right now we have to like dive into the introduction of who is Elon Musk, right? And naturally we have to dive into like Google's or Perplexity or ChatGPT. But we have here, we don't have to jump into all those like tabs or pages. I just type into like introduction of Elon Musk and see what happens. Cool. And what we have here is, first of all, like those pages, these are actually the nodes or subtree of nodes that is created and shared by other users on Grimo. And this number indicates the number of the times of this node being forked by other users. And there we have the local retrieval, which will like look up our local database and check the most relevant and useful information for us. And this is search with AI, which I'll introduce later. So I can just press enter. And you can see that this content is directly forking to my repository. And what we have here is actually I would like to like continue my writings, and I say okay, like Elon Musk later. No, I want to write about a story about like Elon Musk purchasing the acquiring Twitter. Summarized. Let's see what happens. 60 words. Can make it. Cool. So what we have here is I put through the Elon Musk story with Twitter inside of this note. But in terms of writings, we really concerned about the coherence of this content. So what we have here is we also have this refine feature, where we can like give the commands to maybe make it more coherent or make it more professional. I think it's professionally enough, and that's it. And we can set it to be in concise mode or verbal, so just keep it normal. So keep it normal. And cool, you can see that these two paragraphs are actually like bounded together to make it more fluent. So we just press enter, and this directly like refines the whole paragraph. And we can keep moving with such operations on our writings. And we also have a really nice way to publish all those things. Like we don't need to publish a whole web page. We can actually publish a subtree of it. Like what we see here, all the knowledge here in Grimo are organizing the structure of a tree, and we can actually like publish a small segment or a small note within it. And we can see the external links of the original author, like just on the side of our editor. And you should try it out. And thank you.